how to change Roblox location on Windows PC. First, you need to open your favorite browser and log into your Roblox account, and then you will see this homepage. Now from here you need to go to the settings, and here let it load. Okay, now as you can see, account location, here we can change the account location. Right now I have already changed once, so after you have changed once, you will ask to contact Roblox to change for a second time. So yeah, that's how you change your location. Just tap this arrow, then the country will come and change the location to your desired one. Thanks for watching. Hopefully I help. Thanks for watching. Hopefully I was able to solve your problem. Bye bye.